We'll guide you through how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason, you've got multiple accounts you want to add on TikTok. Perhaps you got one for personal use and then one for your business. You just got a couple for personal use. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. So make sure it's this full video so you know what you need to know. Also, it's important to note that you can do this if you already have the account or if you're looking to go and create it and add it. So don't worry, we'll guide you through what you need to know. To get started with this, you need to come into the TikTok app and you want to go to the bottom right, and there you can go and press on profile. You're now here. Next, you need to go to the top right. There you're going to go and find the three lines you want to go and tap on, and this side menu opens up. You want to go down and you can find the option for settings and privacy, like so. Next, you need to go and scroll down right to the bottom and you need to go and find the option for switch account. There you want to go and tap on it like this. You'll go and get a pop-up. And at the bottom, you'll then see the option for add account. So you can go and tap there. So if you're looking to go and create one, you can then go and start the sign up process, use your phone or email, one of these platforms. But if you already have an account you want to go and sign in with, then you can head down and it'll say already have an account, log in. Tap that there, choose who you want to go and log in. I'll use phone, email, or username. And then what I'll do here is I'll go and enter in my details. After you've entered in your details and logged in, you're then going to be switched to the account you just went and added. So here we are, we're on the profile page of it. Now what you can do is you can go and switch between your accounts really easily. You want to go just below the profile icon and to the right of your display name there, and you'll see a little arrow, or just tap on the name. Now you can go and see the different accounts you can switch between. So for example, I could switch back to the GuideRealm Vids account, and we've now successfully switched back, and you can switch again as well.